This video shows how to change the blades on the DX Engineering prep tools for crimp-on connectors. There are 4 tools included in the complete kit for prepping coaxial cable for crimp-on connectors. This video shows the blades being changed on the DXE UT-240C-N1 prep tool. All of the prep tools use the same 4 blades. What is different is the spacing and depth that the blades are set for. All you will need are simple tools, Phillips screwdrivers, one regular and one with a small diameter. The technique shown is the same for all 4 tools. We'll change the 3 blades first. Remove the Phillips head screw that holds the 3 blades in place. Remember, the blades are sharp. Keep your fingers away from the blades. Using a smaller diameter tool as a push rod, carefully push the blade retention parts loose in the tool. Make sure the tool is a smaller diameter than the threaded part inside the tool. Once removed, you can set the blade carrier on the desk. Separate the parts of the blade carrier. There are 4 parts, 3 blades and 1 alignment pin. Don't worry if you mix up the parts, they're numbered. This picture shows the numbers which have been enhanced to make them easy for you to see. Take part number 1, insert the alignment pin. Insert the new blade over the pin. It only fits properly in one direction. Assemble part 2 and its blade on the pin. Assemble part 3 and its blade on the pin. Assemble part 4 on the pin. Note that on this assembly there is an alignment pin. Open the tool and you will also see an alignment slot for the blade carrier assembly. Align the blade carrier in the tool and gently press it in place flush with the tool. Close the tool and reinstall the Phillips head screw to keep the blade carrier in place. Next, we'll change the one blade used for slitting the coaxial cable. Remove the Phillips head screw that holds the blade carrier in place. Using a smaller diameter tool as a push rod, carefully push the blade retention parts loose in the tool. Make sure the tool is a smaller diameter than the threaded part inside the tool. Once removed, you can set the blade carrier on the desk. On this blade carrier, there are only 4 parts: the blade, a retention pin, and 2 plastic carrier parts. Place the new blade over the retention pin. The blade only fits properly in one direction. Place the second carrier part in place on the retention pin. Open the tool. Align the blade carrier in the tool with the blade shown and gently press it in place flush with the tool. Close the tool and reinstall the Phillips head screw to keep the blade carrier in place. You can find more detailed information about the DX Engineering Coaxial Cable prep tools for crimp-on connectors on the DX Engineering website. DX Engineering, your source for quality amateur radio products. Visit us at www.dxengineering.com.